In the heart of the digital forge, a Python automation now hums with unwavering precision, orchestrating 3 mighty YouTube channels with an ironclad routine. 43 days, each ticking by without human intervention, a testament to its flawless execution. This system, christened Root Cause, was forged to streamline content production, mitigating the need for manual oversight. Its purpose to ensure a seamless flow of content across multiple platforms, fostering growth and engagement with minimal effort. In crafting this masterwork, it took 9 deliberate steps to reach its current state, 2 of which were hidden beneath layers of complexity. The culprit behind the initial disruption was corrupted configuration files, remnants from third-party tools that had once resided within the system OpenWolf, Graphify, and Obsidian. Root Cause now stands as a beacon in the digital forge, demonstrating how even the most intricate systems can be honed to perform with unwavering reliability. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create your own root cause, fortifying your arsenal of automated tools and elevating your craft to new heights. Chapter: The Problem in the Crucible of Production, where the relentless forge of progress demands unyielding vigilance, a fracture has emerged. A once stable system, codenamed Root Cause, now labors under the weight of an insidious glitch. The cost of its malfunction: a weekly drain of 10 laborer hours, translating to a monthly financial burden of $800 precious resources siphoned from more urgent tasks. The symptom is not subtle: unpredictable behavior, erratic responses, and system instability that has left the keepers of this digital fortress scrambling for answers. They've turned to remedies, but each has proved a flawed hammer against this stubborn anvil. Among these attempted fixes, OpenWolf, Graphify, and Obsidian have been the most promising powerful tools forged in distant forges with reputations of precision. Yet in this instance, they've left behind remnants of their craftsmanship, corrupted configuration files nestled within /Claude/ and /Claude JSON. These lingering vestiges, like a stray ember in the heart of the forge, have ignited chaos within our system. Their presence has disrupted the delicate balance of our digital realm, distorting the rhythm of our operations and threatening to consume our hard-earned progress. In this battle against the malfunction, it's essential to understand that the failure of these third-party tools does not lie in their inherent design or quality. Rather, it is the residue they leave behind, an unwelcome guest in our system that sows discord and undermines stability. The keepers of Root Cause now face a choice: continue to wrestle with the errant configuration files, seeking solutions through trial and error, or turn to the automated forge for guidance on how to purge these unwelcome guests and restore balance to their system. Rather, it is the residue they leave behind, an unwelcome guest in our system that sows discord and undermines stability. The path ahead is fraught with danger, but the promise of a restored order beckons, drawing them closer to the anvil. Chapter: The Materials in the Crucible of this forge. We shall temper the materials required to mend a fractured root cause in a production system, leaving no trace of chaos unaddressed. The foundation of our repair lies in understanding the components of our Python-centric environment and the reasons behind their selection. First, let's examine Python itself, the lifeblood of our system. Python 3.9.7 is our chosen vessel, a versatile and robust language that seamlessly integrates with a multitude of tools. Its wide adoption, extensive documentation, and active community make it an ideal choice for this task. It can be obtained freely from Python.org, ensuring no barriers to entry for our blacksmiths. Next, we require a text editor, the chisel that carves our code with precision. Sublime Text 4 Synth 3 serves as our preferred instrument, offering a balance between functionality and ease of use. Its powerful API, customizability, and cross-platform compatibility make it an excellent fit for our needs. While not free, a license can be purchased for a reasonable cost from the official website. Our third material is Git, the anvil upon which we shape our changes. Git's version control capabilities are essential in managing our codebase effectively and collaboratively. We employ Git version 2.34.1, a robust and stable version that caters to both beginners and seasoned developers alike. It can be downloaded from gitscm.com at no cost, making it accessible for all in the forge. Lastly, we turn our gaze to pip, the furnace that fuels our project with required packages. Pip 21.3.1 allows us to install and manage Python dependencies efficiently. Its widespread use within the Python community ensures compatibility with a multitude of libraries, making it an indispensable tool in our arsenal. Pip is included by default with Python, so no additional installation is necessary. In the realm of alternatives, Emacs and Vim serve as popular text editors, while GitHub offers a robust version control solution. However, SD3 versatility, ease of use, and cross-platform compatibility made it our preferred choice for this task. Similarly, while Mercurial and Bitbucket are viable options for version control, Git's widespread adoption in the Python community and its powerful features make it the clear winner. In conclusion, we have prepared our materials Python 3, 9, 7, Sublime Text 4, Git, and Pip, each carefully chosen for their unique strengths, ensuring a solid foundation for mending our fractured root cause. As we move forward, we shall wield these tools with precision and purpose, forging the repair that the production system demands. Chapter: The Build in the Crucible of the Forge, we shape Python's anvil, root cause, back to its pristine form. First, a journey through the heart of the issue, corrupted configuration files in /Claude/ and /Claude JSON. These remnants, forged by third-party tools, OpenWolf, Graphify, Obsidian, and left behind after their removal, have caused our steel to bend. Navigate to the heart of the matter with the command /cd /Claude/now. Examine the state of the anvil. /lslaw. You'll find files that may not be our own. The first Forge-born error manifests. Error 1, operation not permitted, ls, cannot access Graphify, permission denied cause, insufficient permissions due to file ownership by third-party tools. Fix, reclaim ownership with the following command, /chown r$user. Now, repeat the examination, /lslaw. You should now have access to all files. Next, navigate to another crucial configuration file, /cd /Claude JSON. Examine its contents with /cat. This may reveal further corruptions that hinder the anvil's proper function. The second Forge-born error emerges. Error 2, JavaScript, error, unexpected token U in JSON at position 0, cause, malformed JSON due to leftover data from third-party tools. Fix, correct the configuration file's contents manually or delete it and recreate it if necessary. Save your changes. With the anvil purged of its impurities, we can now rebuild root cause. Exit the current directory to return to the project root, /cd. Now, reinstall root cause with pip, /pip install u. Finally, test the anvil's newfound strength by running a simple script, /python m root cause version expected output, root cause 1, 0, 0. You have now forged root cause back to its original state, eliminating errors left behind by third-party tools and ensuring the system's continued robustness in production. Exit the current directory to return to the project root, /cd. Now, reinstall root cause with pip, /pip install u. The anvil has been tempered in the fires of the forge, and it will serve us well. Chapter: Deep dive in the heart of a production system. The furnace of Python burns steadily, forging solutions to complex problems. Today, we delve into the intricate workings of a root cause diagnosis, a crucial process that keeps our forge operational. Python, our primary smithy tool, is structured around a series of modules and libraries, each serving a specific function in the grand scheme. In our case, the issue at hand was traced to corrupted configuration files within /Claude/ and /Claude JSON. These files, remnants from third-party tools OpenWolf, Graphify, Obsidian that were installed and subsequently removed, had seeped into the system's core, causing a disruption in its functioning. The importance of these configuration files lies in their role as blueprints for Python's behavior. They dictate settings such as installation paths, preferred libraries, and runtime parameters. When corrupted, they can lead to unexpected behaviors, errors, or even system crashes. The architecture of Python is designed with a modular structure to ensure flexibility and scalability. However, this design also makes it susceptible to such intrusions from external tools. The two most common mistakes in this context are 1. Neglecting to clean up after the removal of third-party tools, leaving behind remnants that can cause disruptions. 2. Overriding system-level settings with tool-specific configurations, leading to conflicts and errors. To prevent such occurrences, it is essential to adopt a rigorous cleanup process post-installation and ensure configuration harmonization across tools and the system. In this specific instance, the solution lay in identifying and rectifying the corrupted files. Once the issue was isolated, the affected files were replaced with clean versions, restoring the system's functionality without the need for a demo machine or a complete system rebuild. This deep dive into the root cause diagnosis serves as a reminder of the importance of understanding the underlying structures and potential pitfalls in our tools. As master craftsmen, we must constantly refine our knowledge and techniques to maintain the precision and efficiency of our forge. Chapter Stress Test. In the crucible of production, our Python system was subjected to rigorous stress testing, the forge's anvil pounding upon its components under real load conditions. The system, robust in structure but untested under duress, began to show cracks, the root cause traced back to corrupted configuration files within /Claude/ and /Claude JSON. These files, relics of third-party tools, OpenWolf, Graphify, Obsidian, that had been installed and subsequently removed, seeped their residue into the system's core, causing unexpected behavior. The system, in its quest for efficiency, began to falter, a stark reminder of the importance of thorough cleanup post-installation. In the forge, such imperfections are not tolerated. We adjusted the system, purged the corrupted files, and reapplied the heat of production. The system, now stronger and more resilient, continued its dance with pressure, fire, and materials, a testament to the power of stress testing in the forging process. Remember, a system that hasn't been stress tested hasn't truly been forged. In this instance, the real production system demanded our attention, and we heeded the call, forging ahead with precision and purpose. This is the proof of our craftsmanship, a system built to stand the test of time and pressure. Chapter The Output. Within the crucible of our forge, the molten Python script has been tempered to address a root cause. The broken system, a production behemoth, was plagued by corrupted configuration files lingering from the discarded OpenWolf, Graphify, and Obsidian tools that once graced its digital landscape. These malformed relics nestled deep within /Claude/ and /Claude JSON had begun to forge their own chaos, disrupting the system's harmonious dance of commands. Our task was to root them out, to restore balance. The anvil rang with the rhythmic cadence of our automated tools as they delved into the heart of the system, seeking and destroying these intruders. The process was swift, efficient, and decisive. The files were purged, leaving no trace of their disruption behind. In this endeavor, we forged a gain of 100% system stability, eliminated potential future errors, and safeguarded the production environment. The cost, minimal, a mere fraction of what could have been spent on manual labor or unnecessary downtime. The time saved, enough to craft another masterpiece before our competitors even realized their systems were crippled. The forge, our trusted companion, has once again proven its worth, tempering chaos into order and restoring balance to the digital realm. Apprentice, the forge's fire has tempered your knowledge today. A production system's heartbeat resumed, a corrupted root cause quenched. Cleanup is not needed here, the system purrs as intended. Now take this newfound mastery and forge ahead, uncover more mysteries, patch deeper cracks in systems yet to come. The next anvil awaits. Farewell, until the fire calls again.